Altek is a veteran-owned small business privately held by 3 family members. My father, Stephen, who's the chairman, my brother, David, who's the CEO, and I'm the vice president of business development. We manufacture printed circuit board assemblies, chassis, and control panels for OEMs of high-cost capital equipment in the medical, commercial, industrial, military, aerospace, and telecommunications marketplaces. In general, we help customers ensure that their designs are manufacturable. We solve problems with regard to obsolete and high-risk components. We scrub bills of material for environmental compliance, and we offer advice on how to take cost out of a design.
Altek aims to be an extension of our customers' team. We do that by providing solutions and expertise. We provide design support for printed circuit board assemblies, test equipment, and mechanical assemblies.
And we make investments in things like capital equipment, training, continuous improvement, and lean to ensure that we deliver quality products on time at market competitive prices. When a client first engages with Altek, we listen very intently to their needs to make sure that we understand the requirements.
We take quality and service seriously. We know their pain points, and we speak their language. In fact, when we start a project, there's a rather large conversion process of data to be sure that we're all referencing the same information in the same manner.
We bring all this different information together in the form of a plan to build the boards, and that is called our Digital Traveler. Our Digital Traveler is a step-by-step program which shows our workers exactly what they need to do each step of the way.
Altek is a one-stop shop for any point in the product lifecycle.
Altek uses a variety of production methods to build boards. Surface mount is the most contemporary method, which involves placing electronic components using high-speed machinery onto the top or the surface of the board. The next type of assembly is called through-hole. That involves electronic components that have leads that are inserted through holes in the board, and that's a more legacy type of technology that we continue to maintain to make sure that we can meet the needs of a variety of customers. Another type of assembly that we do here is higher level assembly. That's called box build, where we put printed circuit board assemblies, relays, power supplies, cables, and harnesses into a chassis, and then we test it, so we're shipping a complete tested unit to the customer.
Testing is an important part of Altek's product integrity. It verifies that the product is going to work in its intended application. We achieve this through in-circuit test, flying probe, or functional test.
We can also support prototype assembly, where we do quick turns and customers can get small runs on a quick basis to validate their designs. Altek's unwavering dedication and commitment to meeting the needs of our customers are the factors that make us unique.